Sejal. By this time of year, I like to pen down, or actually fill in my notes app more likely, about the happiest days of the year. A year may seem to be dreadful, but it won't be if you concentrate on the good parts. So here are my happiest days of 2017, presenting 17 days of 2017. My 21st birthday was spent on a spectacular trip to Kerala with my crazy friends. We went to beaches, we attended a wedding and ate lots of food. When old college friends meet up back in college, it's always fun, full of memories, jokes and pranks. This was my first ever full-blown speaker session. And it's gonna be an auditorium, that's the scary bit. And Mohak is just telling me, chill out, act cool, and I just can't act cool. I was shit scared, but I think it went pretty well for the first time. Walking the red carpet at FanFest was a dream come true. Even though I lost my camera that night, it was still a happy day.
Just about to go out. Guys, it's a very weird feeling, I don't know what's happening.
My first ever newspaper feature. My mum's reaction was priceless. Spontaneous road trip in Mohak and Yadu. We spent the day making videos and taking photos, things we love to do. Let's do this!
The ball of lightning.
I signed up for a random trek to Dodi Dal with a bunch of strangers who were much older than I was. And it was surprisingly really fun. I wasn't vlogging for the first time, so I really enjoyed in the moment and also made some really good friends. Random day back in college again. Are we those lame seniors who keep coming back to college?
Okay, so you've come back to college after 2 years. Mohak वापस आया, ये tradition है. बाल क्या करा दिया तूने? Why are you sweating? Where's your sweat
Why
patch?
do you think I'm sweating? I'm
Where's your sweat patch?
Wait,
क्यों?
let me get it for you. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
So I got my YouTube Silver Play button. I wasn't expecting to receive it that day. I thought this was another package, but I was so pleasantly surprised. And I was so proud of myself. This was such a sense of achievement. I have never seen a sunset as gorgeous as the one I saw in Cherrapunji. All in all, this trip was amazing. I met some awesome YouTubers, made friends with some really great people, and of course had a good time in Mohak as well. I'm in Amsterdam! The first day of my Euro trip was a mix of excitement and nervousness, from lugging around my suitcase all around town to exploring my hostel, trying to make friends. All in all, it was a very liberating feeling, and if I may, even cathartic. I'm so glad I went for this trip. Last day of the week and last day of VidCon as well. We're going to this place called 12 Ocean Road. Apart from being one of the India representatives at VidCon, I really enjoyed this day in Australia because I felt this was the day all the YouTubers were really free and truly became friends. I really hope this rain stops today because today is the meet and greet. I got so many messages from all of you guys that you won't be able to make it because of the crazy rain. Let's just have some fun. I was so happy to see each and every one of you that day. Because we were a small group, I got the chance to know each of you properly and really talk to you, which was so amazing. Being on this boat was nothing short of a dream for me, and I was shit scared about jumping from the top, but I guess I did it because I didn't want people behind me to wait for too long. And once I did, I had so much fun, I jumped in 4 more times. The last day of my Switzerland trip, which is not in the vlog, spent with Khyati and Part, frolicking around Geneva. This was truly a happy day filled with laughter, talking, Polaroids and hot chocolate. Speaking at TEDx was a dream come true, and Manipal University was such a lovely host. I met such warm and amazing people. I even jammed with the Music Society, and overall it was such a happy day. You may know President Obama is in India right now. 4 of the creators who were chosen by YouTube and the Obama Foundation to be there at the event. Now, even in my wildest dreams would I have imagined that I would get to meet Barack Obama. This was the highlight of my year, with great company and at an even greater event. This year was the best year of my life, and I owe it to my parivar, my good friends, all the new friends that I made, the people that I worked with, the opportunities that I got, and of course you guys. So thank you and happy holidays!